Leo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang monthly reading ninyo for March 2026. Ayan. So, general reading. Pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com. Ayan. Or meron tayong link sa description, comment section, to book for a reading. Okay, Leo, let's see what's the energy for you. March 2026. March na tayo. Not every text deserves a response. Okay. So, ngayong March, maaring merong magme-message sa'yo na, kumbaga parang nangungulit, no? At pinipressure ka na mag-respond or makipag-communicate sa'yo. But you know what? If this person ay alam mo na guguluhin lang yung buhay mo, masistress ka lang sa kanya, at alam mo na kapag nag-reply ka, lalong lalaki yung problema or lalong matitrigger kayo pareho, iwasan na. Oo. So, I think, iiwasan mo talaga yan. Hindi ka na makikipag-usap sa kanila. That's not a sign, that's just a pigeon. Okay. So, maaring, yung iba sa inyo, naghahanap kayo ng sign whether you will continue the communication with someone or pag meron kang taong pagbibigyan o bibigyan ng chance. But you know what? Mas maganda pa rin yung peace of mind. Kasi kung sa tingin mo magkakaroon ka ng peace of mind kapag iniwasan mo to, then that's the sign not to engage with this person. Oh my God. Leo, sabi. Spirit said, not this one, sweetie. So, this person is not for you. Oo. So, iwasan mo na. Siyempre, ikaw pa rin yung magde-decide nun. But if you feel like this person ay talagang nagdadaglag lang ng problema sa'yo, I don't think this is the person for you. Wala pa naman tayo sa love reading, but whatever this is. Lalo na kung may mga pinipilit, no? Pinipilit na kausapin or gawin or i-pursue. Pero napakalinaw ng senyales na wag na. So, hindi mo na ipipilit yon. Yes. Okay. Abundance. Yes, you're going to focus on your productivity ngayong March. Abundance in knowledge, abundance in money, resources. 8888. Ayan. Di ka mawawalan. Laging meron. Let's see what else you have. Music. Some of you, Leo, kayo ay musically inclined. You are entertainers. You are someone who likes to be on stage, or maaring music is going to help you move on or para kalmahin ang iyong isip, ang iyong nerves. Lalo na kung merong nanggugulo sa'yo. Okay, let's see what else. So, your overall energy is, what's the overall energy? Ooh, the Knight of Cups. This is feeling in love. Maring in love ka sa sarili mo. O kaya in love ka sa ginagawa mo. Let's see the challenge. And also, there's an offer sa'yo, ha. This can be an offer of relationship. Can be offer of career, new opportunities. Now, the Strength card as your challenge, this can be you. This can be yourself. Pwedeng yung health mo rin, meron kang health concerns na kailangan mong bigyan ng attention ngayong March. And also, your courage, lakas ng loob na magpatuloy. Oo, kapag sa tingin mo parang mabigat na yung pakiramdam mo, magpahinga ka lang, tapos laban ulit. 'Di ba? Now, your opportunity, the 5 of Cups. Meron kang opportunity na ayusin yung mga pagkakamaling nagawa mo before. I mean, you cannot undo it, pero pwede mong bigyan ng solusyon o kaya mas parang bigyan ng closure. This is also finally knowing what your worth is. Kasi sometimes na nagpo-focus tayo sa mga bagay na nawala sa atin at nakakalimutan na natin na meron pa tayong mga bagay, sitwasyon na mas importante rin na bigyan natin ng attention na dahil baka nakakalimutan na natin, mas nagfo-focus tayo dun sa mga disappointments, heartbreaks, pero may iba pang blessing. So, yun yung opportunity for you to know those blessings are ano pa yung pwede mong ipagpasalamat. Now, speaking of blessing, you have the star. This is about healing. This is also achieving your goals, your dreams. Also freedom din yan. You have the 7th house Uranus in Sagittarius. This is unexpected meeting. This can be unexpected meeting of a person na may potential romantic partner para sa mga single dyan. But if you are in a relationship, I see na magkakaroon kayo ng unexpected travel ng partner mo. Or some of you, pwedeng, if this is business, maaring meron kang papasukin na unexpected na deal or business deal, business partnership ngayong March. Okay, let's see naman yung focus. Ano yung focus ng mga Leo? The High Priestess, your focus is about your wisdom, your knowledge, your skills. And also, High Priestess is yung pagiging tahimik lang, no? Yung hindi masyadong nagsasalita or parang hindi masyadong nagsishare ng nangyayari sa buhay niya kasi you are protecting your peace, you are protecting your plans, you are protecting your dreams. Let's see. Doing something risky, taking a chance. So ayan, yung iba sa inyo magte-take ng risk. This can be taking a risk in a relationship, taking a risk in a job or a business or a project na ginagawa mo or gusto mong gawin. Protection from a powerful friend. So, meron kang friend na nandyan for you, to support you, to guide you. And I think itong friend na to yung magbibigay sa'yo ng comfort and also lakas. Lakas ng loob. Lalo na kung may mga times na parang pinanghihinaan ka. Someone is extremely stubborn and unwilling to change. Okay. So, I think ito yung some of you na person that you're dealing with na you are trying na ayusin or tulungan tong taong to pero parang wala siyang balak na magbago for the better. So, pag ganun na, masyado ka nang naaabala. Oo, or parang feeling mo nakakapagod na to be with this person na hindi ka napapahalagahan, then maybe you are going to just, cut this person off sa life mo. Fear, worries, and tense situations. So, I think ito yung isa sa mga experience mo na, di ba, when we care about someone, gusto natin na maisaayos yung buhay niya. Kahit ano pa yung relationship mo dito, this can be, kung iba sa inyo, may mga anak na nagkakaroon ng challenges sa anak nila or sa friend nila. So, you may experience fear or worries about a relationship with someone. Can be your person na minsan kasi hindi na natin kontrolado yung mga gusto nila sa buhay eh. Oo. What we can do is to pray for them na maging maayos yung outcome ng mga decisions nila. Lalo na kung hindi tayo sang-ayon sa mga decisions nila. Emerging, take a leap of faith. So this is about taking courage to start something new, to explore. So butterflies to. So this is about transformation, new beginnings for you. And I think ito yung taking a risk kanina na energy, no? Oo. Do something risky. You're going to do something risky ngayong March. Lakas ng loob na sumubok. This can be a new business opportunity or relationship. Let's see, ano tong transformation? 11th house. Powerful talaga with Pluto energy. Pluto is the planet of transformation, endings, and new beginnings. You have Capricorn here. I think you will take this responsibly. Ano man yung mga nagbabago sa sitwasyon mo, magiging responsible ka rito, especially in your dreams. Pwedeng may mga tweaks or changes na gagawin ka sa pangarap mo, but still you are still fulfilling your goals, 'di ba? Kumbaga may babaguhin ka lang. Ascension, awaking to your soul's potential. Ayan. So, yung iba sa inyo, you will realize your path, you will realize your destiny, kung bakit kayo nandito, ano yung purpose ninyo. Some of you, this is going to be part of your spiritual awakening. So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.